Hi, I'm Dianne Thompson, and my daughters and I own businesses in Wisconsin Dells.
I am Elizabeth Knope. We have Mr. Pancake, my mother and I. It has been around since 1962. More or less was born into the business. I have been running it for 40 years now. My mom has done almost all the recipes there. Everything is homemade.
My name is Julie Johnson, and I own the Clarion Hotel and Suites and the Wintergreen Conference Center and the Wintergreen Grill. I started here in 1990 when I built the first building. As the business grew, we went from being next door to the dog racing track, which was our clientele originally, and our original name was the Kennel Club Inn and Suites. We built an indoor and an outdoor water park when the dog park went away, and turned our whole business over, new business model, and started doing basically just tourist business. And then we added on 10 different meeting rooms, and now we do lots of conventions and weddings besides our tourist business.
9 years ago, my husband passed away. When that happened, we had a number of businesses in different areas and different kinds of businesses, and SBA was very helpful in our transitioning all of those.
SBA has really helped us, especially these last couple years, COVID loans and things like that with the restaurant and helping us through these seasonal seasons. I really appreciated everything they have done for us. Being this bad time, it's really been appreciated.
So SBA has been very helpful to me as far as all the times we added on to the business. I, of course, had to borrow additional funds to do all those additions, and they helped me with working with the bank and getting the money that we needed. So I get monthly statements from them that help me to run the business. Of course, our end of the year work. I really enjoy working with them. It's very pleasant. SVA is helping me transition in my business to planning an exit plan. I'm of the age that I'm starting to think about that. I would suggest to anyone that's looking for someone that they use SVA. We've had a lot of help from them over the years in running our family business. There's lots of interesting things about owning a family business that they have been very helpful with.